Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you see your registered devices in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that and you are in this page, you should look once again in the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it. And here you should select the fifth option, which is register devices. After doing so, you have to wait a little bit and here you will be able to see all your registered devices. Now in my case I don't have any here because I haven't used this app basically to I haven't used this app at all so far. I'm still pretty new in this Amazon app, so I didn't register yet any device. And you can also see here that you can sign out of your account and you can sign in another account if you want to, and if there are registered devices in that account, they will also appear to you here. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.